just finished the chapter number 6, that was conservation of plants and animals. Okay students, and we have just discussed the exercise, and now we are starting with our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, synthetic fibers and plastic. Let us start with this. See, first of all we will see synthetic fibers. Let us see synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers. So first of all, what is synthetic fibers? See here, I am just first of all reading the fibers. What are fibers? See here, I am writing the definition of fibers. Sorry, first of all we will see the human being required clothing materials or fabrics. Fabrics are used to stitch different types of clothing or garments such as shirts, trousers and skirts. Fabric are also used for the manufacture of carpet, bed and table linen, curtains, towels, etc. Fabrics or clothing materials are generally made from thin threads like fibers. Okay students, see here. Now, just I am writing the definition of fabric. So, first of all, what is fabrics? Fabrics. So, fabrics or clothing. Fabrics or clothing materials. Materials are generally made from thin thread like fiber. Okay students, see, the fabrics or clothing materials are generally made from the thin thread like fibers. Now going to next and reading it. First of all I will read again it. Human being required clothing materials or fabrics. Fabrics are used to stitch different types of clothing or garments such as t-shirt, trousers, skirts. Fabrics are also used to manufacture of carpets, bed and table linen, curtains, towels, etc. Fabrics or clothing material are generally made from thin threads like fibers. Here, t-shirts, trousers and all the things that we wear that are made from the fabrics. Okay students, and fibers can either be natural or synthetic. Natural fibers such as cotton and silk are obtained from the plants and animals respectively. See here, fibers are of two types, synthetic fibers and the second one is natural. The natural fibers are get from the animals, plants and different objects. Okay students, from natural fibers such as cotton and silk are obtained from the plants and animals respectively, whereas synthetic fibers are man-made fibers produced from the chemical substance such as petroleum products, coal and natural gas. So these synthetic fibers are made by man-made using some of the chemicals such as coals and other things, coals and natural gas and petroleum products. In this chapter we will learn about synthetic fibers and plastics, their properties and uses. We will also learn about the difficulty associated with their disposal and thus their impact on the environment. Okay students, now all synthetic fibers are produced by a chemical process called polymerization. So the synthetic fibers means the fibers which are made by the man-made fibers are made by a process known as polymerization. So first of all, we will see what is polymerization. Okay, students, what is polymerization? So, polymerization. I am writing the definition in the board that what is polymerization. See here. The joining of small units called monomers and to form polymer or a long fiber is called polymerization. Okay, students, the joining of small units means this joining of small unit called monomers, and to form polymer or long fibers is called polymerization. See here in your textbook, the monomers are chemical substance to form a polymer. Poly means many and mer means unit. Many units of monomer is converted into the process by the polymerization. Okay, students, see here some of these fibers are given in the picture 3.1 in the page number 35. Okay, students, still rolls. And moving towards next, a synthetic fiber has a large number of similar repeating units joined together to form a long strand like the beads on a string. The structure is also a strand of similar beads which each bead represent a monomer. See here, they have given an examples of this. Beads on a string. They have given an example of beads on a string. Let us see that example. So, first of all, see here, I am drawing a string over here. In that, if I draw small beads in this, which are in the string like that, okay, students, strong beads in that. So, this and another example. See here, this one, like this also there is some of the string and there are also beads in that. So, see, these are the beads in the string. So, the synthetic means polymerization. What is polymerization? This one bead, this one and this one bead is monomers. Okay, students, this one bead is monomers, and this the combining many units of monomers, these fabrics are made, and this is known as polymerization. See, I am again reading the definition of polymerization, that the joining of small units called monomers, means these small units which are monomers, joining of the small units called monomers to form a polymer, and or a long fiber is called polymerization. So the joining of C means the joining of these small units which is known as monomers, this one unit which is known as monomer, students. And so when by joining this process it forms a polymer, means monomer means one unit, polymers means many units are just joined together to form a polymer. So this process is known as polymerization. See here, again reading that a synthetic fiber has a large number of similar repeating units to join together to form a long strand like the bead on a string. The structure is a long strand of similar beads where each bead represents a monomers. Okay, students, see here, there is a picture structure of a synthetic fiber resemble bead on a string. See here. Now just we are going towards the rayon. What is rayon? In the synthetic fiber, the what is rayon? Means rayon is just synthesized and produced by man-made. Okay, students. So rayon. So first of all, seeing what is rayon. See here, rayon is the oldest man-made fiber which resembles silk and hence known as artificial silk. It is a semi-synthetic fiber as it is prepared from plant cellulose which is derived from wood pulp. Due to this reason, rayon has many characteristics that are similar to that of natural fibers. So some of the rayon characteristics are, see, first of all, rayon is also known as the artificial silk. Why? Because these silk fibers are used and just synthesized. Silk fibers are synthesized and made the rayon. Okay, students, then this synthesized silk is known as rayon. Okay, students, and it is also known as artificial silk. And now there are some characteristics of the some of the natural fibers which are in the natural fibers. This characteristics also is there in the rayons. Here I am writing some of the characteristics of it. The fabric is, the first one is, first characteristic, the fabric is soft and comfortable. This fabric is soft and comfortable. This is one of the characteristic of it. The another one is it absorbs moisture. It absorbs moisture which makes it suitable not only for dyeing in different colors, but also as a summer wear. So this is also wear in summer fabric. It absorbs sweat and allows it to evaporate away from the skin. So students, this is our next point, that is it absorbs moisture, which makes it suitable not only for dyeing in different colors but also as summer wear fabric. It absorbs sweat and allows it to evaporate away from the skin. And the last point, that is it is shiny and lustrous. It is shiny and lustrous. See students, again reading this characteristics. See, the fabric is soft and comfortable, means if when we wear it, it is soft and it is also comfortable to our body, and it absorbs moisture, which makes it suitable not only for dyeing in the different colors but also as a summer wear fabric. It absorbs sweat and allows it to evaporate away from the skin, means if we wear this fabric in the summer, it absorbs our sweat. Due to summer that is hot and we just release the sweat from our body, so this sweat is just absorbed by it and it directly evaporates from our skin. Okay students, this is the rayon and it is shiny and lustrous. Okay students, now next, see some of the uses are given. Now just we are seeing the uses of rayon. Rayon is used for making embroidery threads, shirts, ties, scarves, home furnishing like bed sheets, curtains, tablecloths, sofa cover, etc. and bandages. Okay students, here I am writing these uses in the board one by one. See, now writing the uses of rayon. See here, writing the uses of rayon. So, the first use is rayon is used for making embroidery, threads, shirts, ties, scarves, home furnishing, and bandages. Okay students, see, this is where the rayon is used. Rayon is used for making embroidery threads, shirts, ties, scarves, home furnishing like bed sheet, some tablecloth, and another thing, and making bandages. Okay, students. And now it comes terms of nylon. So how it is the nylon is prepared? See here I am reading. Nylon is considered as the first and complete synthesized fiber. It was synthesized from the petroleum in 1930s. See here, this is our main point when the first totally synthesized fiber was created. So it is which is there that and when it was synthesized. So the first synthesized complete synthesized fiber was nylon. Okay, students. And when it was synthesized, see here it was synthesized. So first of all, I will write that point. First of all, we will write that it is considered as the first and complete fiber and the second point, that is it was synthesized from petroleum in 1930s. Okay, students. When was the rayon just synthesized? It was synthesized from the petroleum in 1930, and it is considered as the first and complete fiber. Okay, students. See here there are some of the characteristics of it. See, the fiber is light, strong, durable, and highly elastic. It retains its shape even after repeated use and washing. See, the first is it is light, strong, durable, and highly elastic. The first characteristic of the nylon is it is very durable, elastic, so we can use it again and again, and also light in weight and strong. Okay, and it retains its shape even after repeated use and washing. It will retain its shape after the using it or washing it. It will not change its shape. And here are some of the uses of it. Nylon is used for making socks, stocking, umbrellas, parachutes, ropes, fishnets, bristles of toothbrushes, and string of badminton and tennis racket. See here, where the nylon is used, it is used for making socks that we wear, and stockings, umbrellas, parachutes, ropes, fishnets, bristles of toothbrush, and strings of badminton and tennis racket. See here there are some pictures of nylon ropes, and toothbrush has nylon bristles. So these are the nylon. Okay, students. Now we will finish our video over here, and now please write down your homework. See, your today's homework is your today's homework is homework. You have to read and write the characteristic and uses of rayon and nylon. Okay students, you have to read and write the characteristics and uses of rayon and nylon students. So that you have to write in your homework book. Okay students, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.